Here is the app called Pingo by Findmykids app. So yeah, you can just go and install it. So this is the app companion for Findmykids app, which you can install on your kid's device, which will produce loud signal, and you can find out what your child is doing during the day. Pingo came to school. Loud signals help to find your child's phone at the bottom of this bag, even in silent mode. Get a loud signal if something happens. Monitor the kid's daily and weekly step counts. AI helps your kid manage emotions in daily life. Give live updates on a child's location. Track your child's mobile battery usage. So yeah, here you can just find it out, and then you can just open it up. Then you can just find the age, for example, and then how to get a code. You need to open Findmykids app, tap connect kids phone, tap setup kids phone, choose install without the link, swipe down the page, open the app, and then just enter this code. So here's Findmykids app. Here is connect your kid's phone, set up the kid's phone, install without the link, get your kid's phone, search for Pingo by Findmykids and click install, and then enter the code. So that's how you connect Findmykids app and a Pingo app. So that's what it is.